Buckle up, exploring the future of transportation. Transportation, the lifeblood of our global society, is on the cusp of a transformative era. From self-driving cars to flying taxis, the future holds exciting possibilities that will redefine how we move from point A to point B. Let's delve into some of the key trends shaping the future of transportation. Number 1. The rise of autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars, once relegated to science fiction, are rapidly becoming a reality. Advancements in artificial intelligence, sensor technology, and machine learning are paving the way for autonomous vehicles to navigate roads safely and efficiently. This technology has the potential to revolutionize transportation, improving safety, reducing traffic congestion, and increasing accessibility for all. Number 2. Electrification takes the wheel. Electric vehicles, EVs, are gaining traction as concerns about climate change and air pollution rise. Governments around the world are implementing policies to incentivize the adoption of EVs, making them a more attractive and affordable option for consumers. As battery technology continues to evolve, offering longer ranges and faster charging times, the transition towards electric mobility is expected to accelerate. Number 3. Micromobility steals the spotlight. Micromobility options, such as bicycles, electric scooters, and e-bikes, are becoming increasingly popular, particularly in urban areas. These compact and agile modes of transportation provide a convenient and often eco-friendly alternative for short trips. As cities dedicate more space to bike lanes and create infrastructure to support micromobility, we can expect them to play a significant role in the future of urban transportation. Number 4. The sharing economy expands its reach. The sharing economy, already disrupting various industries, is making its mark on transportation as well. Ride-hailing services like Uber and Lyft have become commonplace, offering on-demand mobility solutions. Bike-sharing and car-sharing programs are also gaining traction, encouraging shared ownership and more efficient utilization of vehicles. Number 5. Urban air mobility takes flight. While still in its early stages, the concept of urban air mobility, UAM, holds immense potential. Electric flying taxis and drones are being developed to transport passengers and goods within cities, potentially alleviating traffic congestion and offering faster travel between destinations. Number 6. A connected future. The future of transportation will be inextricably linked to connectivity. Advanced communication technologies, including 5G and beyond, will enable real-time traffic management, improved safety features in autonomous vehicles, and seamless integration between different modes of transportation. Number 7. Embracing sustainability. Sustainability is a key consideration in shaping the future of transportation. As we seek to reduce our environmental impact, the focus will be on developing and implementing clean energy solutions, promoting energy efficiency, and minimizing emissions. This requires collaboration between governments, businesses, and individuals to create a sustainable transportation system for generations to come. Number 8. Ethical considerations and societal impact. The transition to a new transportation landscape comes with ethical considerations and potential societal impacts that need to be addressed. Issues like job displacement in certain sectors, equitable access to new technologies, and the potential for increased social inequalities need to be carefully considered and mitigated. Number 9. Adapting infrastructure and regulations. The infrastructure and regulatory frameworks governing transportation will need to adapt to accommodate emerging technologies and trends. This includes developing smart cities infrastructure, establishing safety regulations for autonomous vehicles and UAM, and revising existing policies to encourage sustainable transportation practices. Number 10. A shared journey towards transformation. The future of transportation is not simply about technological advancements, it's about reshaping how we move, connect, and interact with our surroundings. By embracing innovation, collaborating across sectors, and prioritizing sustainability, we can co-create a transportation system that is efficient, accessible, and kind to our planet. Together, we can navigate this exciting journey and ensure a future where transportation empowers individuals and communities to thrive. The future of transportation is full of possibilities, promising a more efficient, sustainable, and accessible way to move around the world. Subscribe to stay informed about the latest innovations, technological advancements, and ongoing discussions as we navigate the exciting journey towards a transformative era in transportation.